I am the president of the Student ASLA at Texas A&M University. We get together as a club to discuss kind of the major issues happening with landscape architecture, government policies, big projects that have problems that maybe other communities are facing and that they can use to bring together. It's just a great way to collaborate with people around the globe that share common interests with you. The American Society of Landscape Architects is a great way to meet other people in the studio from different grade levels. We host freshmen all the way up to seniors and master's students. And we have opportunities like career fair to go meet professionals and possibly get internships and future jobs. And then we have the mentorship program where you're paired with a professional, get to work on your career goals with them and also have help with studio work. And then we also have fun activities where we kind of team build, interact with each other and kind of get to know each other and build that studio bond. The goal that we kind of met this year was having the studios more integrated together. Kind of started off as 3 different separate groups, kind of the first, second, third years, and now we're kind of one big family all together. You don't collaborate otherwise unless you're kind of purposely going over there to their desks. So yeah, I think the ASLA does a really good job of helping students from different studios become friends.